27-19-21 additional annual tax on electric vehicles. Electric vehicles defined. This is going to be going in effect on July the 1st, 2021. This is so they can get their money back out of electric vehicles that are not paying taxes at the pump. You're going to pay your taxes, they're going to find one way or another to get them. 1. For the purpose of this section, the term electric vehicle means a vehicle that is powered solely by an electric motor drawing current from rechargeable batteries, fuel cells, or other portable sources of electric current. It is manufactured primarily for use on public streets, roads, and highways, and is required to have a license tag under section 27-19 for operation on public streets, roads, and highways. 2A. Subject to the revision of this section, there is imposed an annual tax on each electric vehicle, which shall be in addition to any other taxes for which the vehicle is liable, which means this tax is going to be on top of your regular normal tag taxes. The tax shall be paid to the county tax collector at the same time and in the same manner as the annual highway privilege tax is paid, which is your tag taxes. The amount of the tax shall be $150. The tax shall not be imposed on electric vehicle that exempt from ad valorem taxation under sections 27-1953 and 27-5141 2J. 2B. Beginning July the 1st, 2021 and each succeeding July 1st thereafter, the rate of the tax imposed under this section and in effect at the end of the preceding state fiscal year shall be adjusted by increasing the tax by a percentage amount equal to the United States inflation rate for the previous calendar year, ending on December 31st as certified by the Department of Finance and Administration. The United States inflation rate for a calendar year shall be the Consumer Price Index for the calendar year for urban consumers as calculated by the Bureau of Labor Statistics of the United States Department of Labor, and adjusting the amount of the tax amounts equals to or greater than 50 cents shall be rounded to the next highest whole dollar. Your average annual inflation on goods is normally around 2% a year. It can go higher, it can go lower, but over the years it's averaged right around 2%, which means that if it's 2%, and it's more than 50 cents. So if it's $1.51, it's going to go to a $2 raise. Now keep that in mind because your pay does not get increased by the same adjustment. Only your tax. The government gets paid, you don't. 3. The tax collector shall have a special designation for electric vehicles in the vehicle records of the tax collector's office so that the owners of the electric vehicles will be provided with the proper forms for paying the tax imposed by this section. 4. The tax collector shall remit the procedures of the tax collected under this section to the Department of Revenue, and the department shall appropriation of the proceeds of this tax among the various purposes specified in the sections 27.5.101 for gasoline and diesel fuel taxes in the same proportion that the taxes were appointed for the purpose during the previous state fiscal year. And such funds shall be used solely for the repair and maintenance of roads, streets, and bridges. If you remember correctly, your lottery fees is supposed to help with roads and infrastructure and schools and things like that. This is going to be added to it. 5. The Department of Revenue shall have all of the power and authority that it has for enforcement of the motor vehicle privilege tax law, section 27-19-1. To enforce the provision of this section, the Commissioner of Revenue may adopt any rules or regulations that he deems necessary for the appropriate administration of this section. While doing this law, they already implemented a yearly increase, which is the rate of inflation. So the first year would be 150 and it's going to go up from that point forward. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.